Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Changemakers Network, the place where every people come together to create opportunities and transform lives. Life is full of opportunities, but most people never see them because some of them they wait, some of them they doubt themselves, and most of them they don't take action. So today I want to remind you that you have the power to change your life and the life of those around you. Your passion, your ideas, your skills, they matter. Imagine using what you already have. Your mind, your creativity, your determination to build something amazing. Every single day, someone is learning a new skill, starting a business, or taking a small step that leads to huge change. And guess what? You can do the same. Too many young people struggle to find jobs, but the world is looking for content. Every business, YouTuber, and social media creator needs videos. And that means video editors are in high demand. Imagine making $1,000 every single month just by editing videos only. It's possible and you can start today. Here is the exciting part. Tech online training can help you get started. In less than 3 months, you can build professional video editing skills, complete the training, and receive your certificate as well. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer are waiting for skilled video editors. And if you complete just a few projects, each means that $1,000 goal can be real. So if you are ready to change your life, start today wherever you are. Join Tech, build your skills, and start creating opportunities for yourself and your community. Remember, every small step today becomes a giant leap tomorrow. Thank you for watching. If this message inspired you, please like, share, and subscribe to Changemakers Network for more life-changing ideas. The power to change your life is in your hands. Start now, learn, create, and transform your future. Thank you so much.